How you doing, Cali Crowd? So this video was supposed to be a update on my goals and how I'm doing in my calisthenics goals for 2023. But I wanted to take it one step further and wanted to take you guys through what I kind of envisaged to be my calisthenics bucket list, the roadmap of the sort of skills that I want to actually be able to achieve throughout my calisthenics journey, the skills that I sort of dream about, such as the sort of advanced skills that we know that calisthenics athletes can achieve if they really dedicate their time and their energy towards it. But before that, we've been sponsored. Gore Nation is a brand that I absolutely love. They make extremely high quality calisthenics equipment. So if you want to support the channel, then click on the links down below and go get yourself some gear. So in terms of the calisthenics roadmap I've made for myself, it is extremely simple, but it is very far from easy. I spent the bulk of my first year of calisthenics working on foundational movements, and rightly so. These are the exercises that I talk about ad infinitum on this channel. Rows, pull-ups, dips, push-ups. Mastery of these gives us the right to tackle the majority of bodyweight skills. Building on this, we have the basic skills, and in this category we have back levers, muscle-ups, L-sit, and the handstand. The sort of skills we can learn relatively quickly in our early days as calisthenics newbies. And actually, for many of us, it's seeing one of these skills that got us into calisthenics in the first place. The sort of skills you'll find intermediate athletes ready to tackle include heavy weighted push-ups. I'm talking anywhere from a third to 75% of your body weight, and the human flag. This is a weird one for me actually, because I have no intention on training this skill specifically. Based on advice from other athletes that are further along on this journey than me, this is a skill that many almost get for free from just training the levers. It's at this stage where many intermediate athletes start to take their hand balancing to higher levels as well, with skills like the V-sit, variations of handstand pressing, and the handstand push-up. It's only this year that I would say I graduated to intermediate after learning the handstand push-up, but it is advanced where I one day want to be. These are the skills that really have gravity-defying wow factor in my opinion. The front lever was the headline skill I was looking to learn this year, and represents the first skill from the advanced tier that I've ever attempted to learn. So far it's coming along well, but I'm not naive to the fact that this could take me far longer than a year. The one arm pull-up, 90-degree handstand push-up, and the planche are all skills that I literally dream about on a regular basis, but I'll need to earn the right to start learning these skills without, my shoulders just completely divorcing my arms. But it's these skills that in my mind represent calisthenics mastery, and it's here where I want to get to. You may have actually noticed that I've left out the one arm handstand, and that is actually on purpose. While I absolutely love hand balancing, I cannot imagine a world where I drop everything else to train a one arm, which seems to be the case for an adult looking to learn the one arm handstand. This is just something I don't see myself making a trade-off for. And for good measure, we'll throw in the one arm push-up as well, which I'd put into the intermediate band. But again, I think this is something that you can get for free. No one who knows how to advance tuck planche or straddle planche would ever struggle with learning the one arm push-up. So I'm not going to focus my energy specifically on that one either. But crowd, that is a quick summary on my calisthenics goals and the order that I'm looking to take them in. But I want to know what your goals are, and actually, have you thought about the order that you want to take them in as well? There are a lot of those skills that actually run very parallel to each other, and the idea that by learning one skill, you can actually progress a long way to the other skills. In the way that when I was looking to learn the frog to handstand, I actually got very close to the handstand push-up as well. Let me know down in the comment section what yours are, and crowd, I'll see you in the next one.